Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Android applications crashing on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, try to resolve this issue by simply restarting your computer. Click the clock icon in the bottom right corner, then click the power options, select restart and wait until your device is restarted. And if the simple restart won't help you, reopen the control center and click the gear icon to open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to go to apps on sidebar, then go to manage Google Play preferences, and within this menu you'll find Android settings. Open them, then go to apps once again, select see all apps, then find your application that is lagging or not launching. Open it right here, then go to storage and cache, clear the cache of this application, then try to reopen it. If it doesn't reopen, return back to this menu and clear its storage. Delete, and then try to reopen the troublesome application. And if it doesn't open this time, you have to reopen your launcher, go to Google Play Store, then find the page of this application. Let's open the search menu, let's search for it. Select this app, uninstall it by clicking on Uninstall, and then reinstall it for your laptop. And then try to reopen it. And if it's still crashing, then most probably it's just incompatible with your laptop. And you're gonna need to use some workaround, like using the web browser instead, if you can, or launching it on a different device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.